Hi, welcome to my channel. I want to do a flip through of my latest junk journal. I made it with the red, white, and blue digital kit from Studio 28E. It's a soft cover made with a manila envelope, 12 by 9. I painted it white with gesso and white acrylic paint, and then I covered it with Mod Podge, so it's really smooth. This kit has got so much stuff in it, I didn't even use it all. It is absolutely fabulous. I lined the inside with a plastic flag, just because I thought it was fun. And then there's an eyelet pocket on front and back. This page is from the kit. These. This page, isn't that gorgeous? And then the rest of the pages I did with notebook paper and blue and red glimmer mist. This is from the kit. There are several little things in the ephemera pack of the kit that you can do all kinds of things with. I made one of Tracy Fox's heart envelope. Heart paper clip. Goodness, it's been a long day. This is an envelope with some paper in it, like a love letter. This page is from the kit. This page is from the kit. This little pocket. I thought that was fun. Just a tag covered with that glimmer mist paper. This is another one of the pieces of ephemera in the kit, and I just made a paper clip. I thought this was fun. July 4th bingo card. Isn't she pretty? I love that. This is in the kit. This envelope is in the kit, and it's just got some more of the red and blue sprayed paper in it. Isn't that sweet? That's an envelope turned sideways, and it's got little papers in it. This is from the kit. This lady, and she's beautiful. A couple of file folders with put some paper in. This I thought was gorgeous. The colors in this kit are just so incredible. And this page, I could not bring myself to embellish it in any way. It is so beautiful. The only thing I did was put a red and a blue button on the strings. I just love this. This is in the kit. This is another one of the little pieces of ephemera. This pocket. This is a guest check with just a wooden pin, USA pin stuck on it, and then some ribbons. Another of Tracy Fox's, I don't know if you can see it, the heart paper clip. And this one, I actually was able to twist the corners. Can you see that? Let me see. So it looks kind of like a little curly pretzel in the back. Isn't that cute? And I'll put that back later. It's got another little envelope, another corner pocket, and look at this little girl. Isn't she sweet? I just love her shoes. I did them in red stickles so they would show up better. That, another piece of ephemera from the kit, and this page is so pretty. It's from the kit. A glassine bag with some stenciling with blue glimmer mist. Pocket. This page here is from the kit, and I guess these are fireworks going off. More stenciling. This is the kit. This is the kit. This. I love this page. And then this. And that is it. And it closes with a ribbon tie that's been glued all the way around, so it's good and sturdy. It's not going to pop off or come off or anything. Anyway, that is it. And like I said, I'll link Tracy Fox's paperclip tutorial and the kit in the description box below. And I appreciate you watching. Thank you.